Let's take a look at some of the best AI coins that you can invest right now. To be honest, it's still pretty early to invest, but I suggest you should because I've already invested and made some really good profit. When I invested in the Singularity coin last December 22, it was way cheaper. It was just 4 cents. And if you take a look at the coin right now, it's literally sitting at 40 cents. So that was 10 times. And if you're using leverage, you have probably made a ton. Many people I know have had hefty profits, and there are more AI coins coming out that we should need to check out. Singularity is definitely one of those coins, which I still think can run. But is it going to give you some overwhelming bucks? I believe this one will settle off in the meantime right now, while other coins will pick up more steam. Despite that, I really suggest you acquire this coin because we are nowhere near the market cycle peak yet. We are out of the bear market, but once we get back to the 60,000 area, that is where we are going to see a lot of action, a lot of growth, huge coin spike, like insane levels. If you are still getting into the crypto market during these periods is where altcoins, the AI coins go crazy. Singularity even popped off during the season, even it was an AI bull market cap. I know this is going to top the AI market when the Bitcoin bull run starts to take off. Maybe reaching to $1 or $2, I really can't say. It's still in 84th in the ranking, which means there is still a lot of room for growth. Because if you go over the rank, there are even top 10 coins that are literally dead. That's the reason why I am still holding a decent amount of Ajax. Next coin we're going to discuss is going to be one of the largest coins I look forward to invest. The next AI coin, and I would say this one, is definitely go up to $3. And this is based on multiple factors, primarily technical analysis. This coin, I think, will even shoot up to $20 in the bull market. Why do I think it's going to hit an all-time high? Number one, this is not just an AI-powered coin. If you really want to gain money, like if you are trying to make 100 times profit, make sure your timing is on point. Timing is more important than how much coins you buy. So the reason why I am saying that now is a good time. This is a continuation pattern. This pattern will break to the upside. It will be a sharp and volatile move following the patterns of Bitcoin. Importantly, there is this fact that this coin is also partnered with Microsoft. On May 4th, 2022, they tweeted out that we are working with Apple to expand Octane 10 on the iPhone and iPad. Tech giants Microsoft and Google's are working with the render networks to bring Azure and Microsoft NVIDIA GPUs alongside Google's A2 instances to strengthen the render network features. This one, I believe, is the next gold rush. Why? Because this thing essentially allows to render images very effectively, meaning good images despite low GPU specs. NVIDIA just released a keynote, and they are all in AI now. And I'm just saying, if you're not paying attention before, get your focus in here now. NVIDIA already have this generative AI, which is run by NVIDIA chips. There are a lot of companies who would want to run this stuff, but not all of them can afford these. So what are they going to use? They are going to use render tools. So this one will surely pop in the future. So why am I doing this? Because I don't think there is going to be an opportunity like this soon. It's still early in today's day and age because the crypto bull market isn't even here, meaning there is still a lot of room for these coins to grow. I can guarantee that this render token to announce insane levels of partnerships that are just going to push the coin even further. To better understand what I am saying, look at the generative images, just like the ChatGPT. And if you're someone who's been researching AI coins, you should know rendered token by now. This coin is literally poised perfectly. Now let's check out the other AI coins that deserve some investing. This coin is basically discussed on this white paper. This is confusing and it's not easy to read. But after taking some time, the paper basically is about a new way for computers to learn from each other and get better at doing things. It's a high-risk coin, which makes it really good. Why? Because it's not on any major exchange. When the hardware token is out, there's going to be a huge volume of users who will adopt the coin, but you are now reaping the benefits. So what is this coin all about? Essentially, it's about a new way of machine learning. The only problem I have with this is that they make the white paper so hard to understand. Maybe they are trying to cover inconsistencies behind a lot of large words. That's the downside, especially if you wanted to reach out to a wider community. But this paper suggests a new system that can produce a better AI by rewarding machines for producing knowledge and making it available to new learners in the system. It's really interesting. It's at $65 now. This one is definitely a high risk, high reward one, mainly because it's not on any major exchanges yet. Next one is the Brain Chain. This one has done pretty well on the market. They recently announced they are partnering with Huawei. It's on white paper, and they have pointed out that artificial intelligence was breaking out ages ago. These are the kind of companies that are ahead of the mark, meaning they are actually know what they are doing. Basically, the Brain Chain allows the artificial neural network to be decentralized and distributed over mass nodes all over the world through a blockchain technology, thus making the artificial intelligence to be much more efficient. It's definitely going to be awesome and really, really effective. This coin is on rank 677. And if this coin gains any mainstream attention, it will go to the moon. It's not yet on major exchanges yet, just on Huawei, Huobi, and Gate.io. This is where you have a lot of potential, like 100 times. This one is really a very good opportunity. Now, if you see any BSC coins like GPT BSC tokens veer away from it, there's a lot of that right now, and I've seen a ton of them. If you want to see all your AI crypto coins, just go on at this website. There's only 77 out of them. Why? Because the current economic climate is going downward. People are saving money and not investing on any coins. So there is still time to put out your $100 into about 10 of these coins. Spread it out. That's all I have for you today. If I missed a coin, please do comment down below. If I see another that fits the bill, I will let you guys know and update this video.